Case name Abhishek, age is 35 years, and today date is 3rd November 2025, and complaint of childish voice even after puberty. I want speech sample before starting therapy. Why you came here?
Yes, sir. My name is Abhishek. I'm coming from Chennai. I have a problem of high pitch voice. So whenever anybody calls me, they feel that I am a lady or I have a feminine voice. So they presume that I am a woman.
Post-therapy video of Abhishek, and today date is 10th of November 2025. Abhishek, I want speech sample after the voice therapy, and why you came, from where you came, and how do you feel now?
Good evening, everyone. My name is Abhishek. I'm from Chennai, and I have come to meet Sanjay sir for a high pitch voice. So basically, I had a very thin voice. So whenever anyone listens to my call, or whenever I talk to them, they feel that a female is talking or a child is talking. So I'm now feeling very confident now. And
okay, so have you compared your first day voice sample recorded in your mobile and today? What difference you are observing?
Yes, sir. So I noticed that I have a better bass now. So my voice is much more louder and more clearer. And my wife also told me that my speed has decreased. As in, it is good. Now I'm more clear and I'm more confident, as she could feel.
So, can we use a video for awareness purpose of social media
yes,
pages?
Yes, sir, please.
And what is your profession and how this new voice is going to help you?
Yes, sir. I am working for a PSU and I am working as a legal officer. So, I am sure that it will help in my career as well as in my daily life because, it used to affect me earlier. I mean, having this low pitch voice and high pitch voice. So, now I feel much more confident and much more hopeful.
Okay, thank you. And from which place you came?
I'm basically from Kerala. Now I'm working in Chennai. I come from Chennai, sir.
Okay, so you came from Chennai to Bangalore for this treatment,
yes,
and you are feeling better. So
yes,
we are also very happy. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see any positive change, like this video, share this video so that people having similar problem, struggling with a similar problem, can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thank you. Thanks for watching.